Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by putting on a thin layer or just underwear so clothing won't add bulk. Next, stand relaxed with feet about shoulder width and breathe normally. This is your natural waist posture. Take a string, shoelace, or a belt and wrap it around your waist at the level where your jeans normally sit, usually just above hip bones. Hold the cord snug but not tight. You want contact without compressing skin because that would reduce the measured size. Once the cord overlaps, pinch or mark the exact meeting point with a pen, small knot, or a piece of tape so the location is fixed. Now lay the cord flat on a table and measure it with a ruler, yardstick, or a standard measuring device, making sure the cord is straight. Convert centimeters to inches if needed. Round the result to the nearest 1/2 inch to match common jean sizing, as manufacturers use rounded increments, and note whether you measured it natural or To finish, compare your measurement to the jean's sizing chart or the size on a pair that fits you. Remember, brands differ. If you're between sizes or want mobility, add 1/2 inch for comfort. For accuracy, repeat the process once more and average the two results if they differ. If measurements are inconsistent, make sure the cord was level and you were relaxed both times. Retake while standing naturally and ensure the cord isn't twisted or pulling at an angle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.